And again, guys, this is a limited edition. Because a lot of times you see on, you know, Lady Dior bag, normally it's just one color or like, you know, just those ones that you always see. But this one's different because this is a limited edition. This is a Lady Dior patent leather ombre. And this is a vintage one as well. But anyway, I'm going to open it up so you can see. And as you can see, there's nothing wrong with this bag at all. And then that's the inside, guys. It's very clean. There's no stain, no nothing. And I will let you know if there is a stain. And also there is a date code down here. And guys, these bags that I'm selling has a COA or Certificate of Authentication. So anybody is interested, let me know. So guys, normally on a Lady Dior that's in this condition, okay, no damage, no nothing, and it looks new. Typically, they're selling it. You can take a look on online listings when there's no damage. Typically, they're selling it over $3,000. That's definitely like $3,500, sometimes even more. And a lot of times, I look at the listings online. A lot of times, it's so high, but there's still damage on the bag. However, this one, as you could see, there's no damage, guys. So, and there is also a long strap that you can make it a shoulder bag or you can make it a crossbody. So, look at that. And a lot of times, the bag collector collects this limited edition because it's nice to have a limited edition bag because it's not common. It's unique, right? And again, patent leather, guys, it's good because longevity, I mean, you know, it lasts because they're more sturdy and also they're not easy to get scratched. So anyway, if you want this bag, this was listed for $3,500. I'm only selling it today for $3,000. $3,000 because we're having